In today's episode, I will compare how paper airplanes fly, one of which is taped and the other is made without tape. All the green airplanes I made with tape and their colored counterparts without tape. I will launch all the planes today using this kind of launcher, which is made very simply from a sheet of paper, tape and a rubber band. Now I will launch the first pair, the white and green plane. The green one flew first, and just look how far it flew. Simply incredible. You need to use the maximum zoom of the camera to see how far it flew. Next we launched the white plane, and unfortunately it fell very quickly. Now I will try to launch these same planes from a small elevation. The green one went first, and as you can see, in this case it also fell quickly. This time the air current was not favorable. You can see how the side wind blows it away and it just dives down. That's a characteristic of planes taped with Scotch tape. Now let's launch the white plane in the same light wind. As we can see, it flew much farther. This is because it caught the wind and is not taped. Now I will quickly show you how to make these planes. Follow me and you'll succeed. How to make a launcher like mine I will show at the end of the video. If you want to see how another pair of planes flies or how to make a launcher, just move on the timeline to the desired episode. Now watch how the second pair of planes flies. They are red and green. I launched the red one and it, after doing a loop, flies further and further. The operator uses zoom again to show how far the plane has flown. Next, I launched the green plane, the one with tape, and it, like the previous green plane, caught a gust of wind and quickly fell. I climb up the hill again and launch the planes. There is no wind now, and the green plane showed what it is capable of. And the aeroplane seconds to recapitulate. On the contrary, after doing a loop, started to descend. Now I will show you how to make these planes out of paper, and if you want to see how the next pair of planes flies, fast forward. Moving on to the third pair of planes. These are the blue and green ones. The green one also has tape. Let's see how they perform now. Next up is the green one. So we launch it and see that it flew very well. Next is the blue one, but as you can see, the blue one fell at about 60% of the distance that the green one flew. So in this case, the green one is better with tape than without it. Now you are watching me make the green plane with tape, and to make the blue one, if you liked it, do everything the same, just without tape. Now, the orange and green little plane. I decided to launch them against the wind. This is how our orange plane flew, and this is how the green one did. And I decided to launch the green plane again, but with the wind. And as you can see, it flew very far. Therefore, I recommend you also launch this plane with the wind, and you will achieve maximum results. Now I will show you how to make this plane. And then I will show you how to make the launcher that I used in this episode for launching airplanes. To make the launcher, we will need a sheet of paper, tape and a rubber band. Follow me and you will succeed. If you want a sturdier structure, just leave either a pencil or a pen inside so that the structure doesn't bend when the rubber band is stretched. If you liked the idea of this video and how I implemented it, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel and also leave a comment. Maybe you can suggest a new topic for an episode.